are pleased to show you the 2012 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable are all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, remote start, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, four-wheel drive, premium sound system, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, bucket seats, fog lamps. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.